Hello my dear friend, today I'm going to show you how to control 220 volt AC supply and the home appliance by using the Arduino microcontroller and by using the 3 volt input only. This is the Arduino Mega 2560 microcontroller. You can use as any clone like Arduino Mega, Freeduino, Nano and LilyPad which you want to control this relay. Now connections are: connect the 5 volt of the Arduino to the VCC of the relay board and connect the ground pin of the Arduino to the ground pin of the relay board. Now this third wire connected to the output pin. Here I use output pin digital pin 13 to the relay board, relay 1 2 3 4 which you want to control in the board. Here I use relay 1. To control relay 1 I use the digital pin 13. For testing, here I use Blink program for testing this relay. Now upload this Blink program to the Arduino by using the USB to serial cable. Now after the uploading, you can see that the output LED of the relay board is used to blink like this. Now we can control, by using this process we can control our 220 volt AC by using the Arduino. To test this circuit at 220 volt, here I use CFL holder and a 220 volt board connector. Here we can see that here there are two wires, black wire and red wire. The red wire is cut between the two pieces and the black wire is directly connected to the CFL and this 220 volt AC supply. Now the input of the CFL holder is connected to the normally open pin and the output of this 220 volt plug to the common pin of the relay board. Like this. Black wire is directly connected to the CFL board. Here is CFL. Now for testing at 220 volt, here I connect the 220 volt plug to the supply. Now switch on. Now you can see that the bulb is blink according to the LED as output of the relay. Now by using this Arduino command, we can control our whole home appliance and the 220 volt AC as we want, like AC, refrigerator, fans, bulbs and which you want. By using this process we can control all appliances of the home. So in short we can say that it is a home automation. This is the project for home automation. Now according to this project we can control 220 volt by using this 6 volt relay. to give a specific command by using the Arduino microcontroller. Thanks for watching this video.